Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
All right, we're over here in Lakeland, Florida with Team Fire Rescue.
No. Well, it's full. After it's empty, that's it for the day.
And we're gonna take this tree down. This is how Puerto Ricans do it when they don't want to pay for something.
And then part 2, stay returned.
Come on, Fire Rescue. Alright, after 20 pulls, you got it. Amateur cutting. Amateur tree service. Man.
You better move out further than that. You have to put more rope on that.
Where?
You have to put more rope on that. 'Cause you gotta get out way farther.
We gotta go out here.
You're gonna have to put more rope on it.
Right there.
Even that, you're gonna have to put more rope.
Yeah. You got more rope?
You need more rope?
Yeah. Alright. He thinks by cutting it there, this tree will fall down on top of us. Let it roll. You got it? Stand back there.
Yeah, but he says this ain't long enough.
Just go that way. That way. Hopefully it won't fall underneath him. Amateur cutting. Amateur tree service. Damn, he's almost cutting right through. That piece gotta fall out. Hopefully he has his will done. Trying to get it. I just need to be looking up when that tree comes down because it's coming out here. All right, he's gonna try something else. Woo! There you go. I don't know what the heck he's doing. That piece ain't coming out. They ain't gonna pull. They ain't gonna pull that. got that piece stuck, that's why.
Hey, you have like a pry bar?
You got a pry bar? A pry bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, he needs a pry bar. Yeah, we got pry bar. We're Puerto Ricans. We pry into everything. We're pry bars. Let's see if this one's okay. That one all right? All right, well, let me give it a little break here because this looks like it's going to be a doozy. Any last words?
Nope.
All right.
If there's any professionals out there, come help.
This is not how you do it, but this is how people from New Jersey that live in Florida do it.
Too bad other family members who have experienced it here.
Did you make any good food, baked ziti?
Nope.
You make a last meal so we can eat in your honor? You can't cut it halfway in the middle?
What do you mean?
You see how you got it cut top and bottom?
Yeah.
Go in the middle. Something's got to give. All right. Tempting after the pry bar. This might be a tutorial on how not to. That tree ain't budging. Who knows how old that tree is? Of course, you didn't wait. And the tree came down. Son of a gun. What a wasted video. Hey. Hey, the phone went dead as soon as the tree came down, so I didn't capture it.
Of course.
Yep. Peace. I think they're gonna try to attempt that one. Attempt number 2 on this rotten one. And hopefully we'll get the money shot. I hate to break it to you.
$100 an hour.
The camera went off again.
Are you serious?
Yeah, there's something wrong with this camera now, all of a
So
sudden.
why are you filming it so long for then?
I don't know what it was doing.
Which one? You're pointing to 3.
Okay, this is attempt 3. I'm trying to get the money shot for this tree. We've missed 2 attempts to get the money shot on that one. So we'll be right back. This motherfucker. You won't believe it. You won't believe it.
Whatever.
I caught it.
I'm going in the tree cutting business.
Hey, you don't have to worry about it. It pulled up the roots.
It was ready.
Wow, you couldn't have planned that one any better. We didn't even need the rope.
That's what I told you.
I need that.
Damn, look at all those termites.
Yeah, it's all ready.
Look at all those termites, man.
I need to have more confidence in my cutting skills.
You know?
What?
It was all ready.
Oh, I know. That's why I said it was cracking.
All right, amateur.
3-0 today. 13
Tree service. Fire rescue, New Jersey training. Did good. Living in the shore did good.
Yep, never touched a chainsaw in my life.
All right.
Even Auntie's tree cutting service. We work for water.
All right. Now you finish trimming this bad boy.
Not today.
Not today.
That chain needs to be sharpened or something.
Anything.
Peace.
And that's the original one from day one, right?
I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.